I'm going to talk to you about avoiding harsh solvents in your studio. Try cleaning your palette using linseed oil instead of solvents. A wooden one will eventually develop a glass-like surface that will be easy to clean. Be careful though. Oil-soaked rags can spontaneously combust, so rinse in water before disposal. The greatest exposure to harsh solvents occurs through large containers of solvent left open whilst working, and especially during cleanup at the end of the painting session. Just a few changes to your regime can make a huge difference. If you are diluting your oil colours with solvent or making a painting vehicle containing solvent, try Sansodor and store it in narrow-necked or closed containers. Sansodor has a greatly reduced level of VOCs, volatile organic compounds, and can help reduce the level of exposure. Safflower oil can replace solvents for cleaning brushes during a painting session, and on account of its slower drying rate, reduces the need to wash brushes every day. Thorough cleaning using this water-based brush cleaner will reduce solvent exposure and prolong your brush's life. So, by reducing the use of harsh solvents, you can enjoy working in a safer environment.